Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this beautiful air fryer for you guys. And in this video, I will also include an easy and yet delicious air fried chicken recipe for you guys. So let me go over this product and that way we can hurry up and get to that chicken recipe. So this is the CalmDo air fryer. As you can see, it's not too big, it's not too small, perfect size to fit in any standard kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I already went ahead and placed the accessories that I'll be using for my air fried chicken. I'm using the dripping tray, and I'm using two other wired trays. But I want to show you guys the details of the inside. You can see the beautiful details the inside have. I think this looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back just like that. I like to give a little space in between because my chicken are a little big, so I like to make sure I have a little space. And in there, in that box came the instruction book and also a recipe book, which have tons of delicious recipes in there. And the other accessories are the rotisserie accessories, of course. These, and it comes with some screws to screw it. The instruction book have all the details for you guys to put them together. And they have a rotisserie stand that came with it. And it have a kebab. If you want to make some chicken kebab, shrimp kebab, you can use this to make your kebabs. Use the sticks. And it came with another tray and a cooking rack, just like you have on a standard oven. And it came with this cage. You can easily use this to make French fries so they are not spread all over. Okay. So I already went ahead and plug in my air fryer, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, the temperature button, it goes all the way to 400, and it have the lights, it have the fan, and if you want to make some chips, sticks, fish, whatever you want to make, and they have the timer as well. And it also dehydrates rotisserie, as I said, it bakes. So you can pretty much do a lot of things in here. I will leave more details about this air fryer so you guys can purchase your own. So a big thank you goes out to CalmDo for sending me this product. So now let's get into the chicken recipe. So for the chicken, you are going to be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we are going to be using about half a cup of cornstarch. This is the brand that I'm using. The cornstarch will get your chicken to be nice and crispy. And to that, we are going to season our flour mix. We are going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. You guys know you want to make sure your flour is very well seasoned. That's how our chicken is going to get a lot of the nice, beautiful flavors on the skin. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I have a cooking spray that I'll be using to spray my chicken just so I can get it to be super, super crispy. Don't forget to check the description box, guys, where I will list all the information about the air fryer. Check out their website so you guys can purchase your own. So I'm going to go ahead and set this flour to the side. I sometimes like to taste, or a lot of time like to taste my flour to make sure it's well seasoned. Tastes pretty good. Just make sure you get it nice and mixed. And if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. I try to upload every Sunday, sometimes even twice a week. You guys know I'm a super busy mom, but I try my best to make time for you guys because I love and appreciate you guys so much. And here is the chicken. So I cut up 9 pieces of chicken. You can use any part of the chicken. And here I have 4.5 cups of buttermilk. And I also have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I also put about half a cup of hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce you want. And I had this in my fridge for 24 hours marinating. And I also put 2 cracked eggs, 2 beaten eggs in here. I will list everything in the description box for you guys, so you guys don't have to worry about writing anything down. So this is my chicken. Like I said, it's been in my fridge for 24 hours. So now all I'm doing, it's going to be a little messy, guys. You want to make sure you wash your hands. You are going to definitely want clean hands to do this job. And also, before I use my air fryer, you want to go ahead and clean the racks that you are going to be using. Okay, so all I'm doing is grabbing the chicken, and make sure you try to get rid of the extra drips, and just take it and really make sure everything is coated to get that nice crispy effect, just like that. Make sure every piece is coated. Like I said, I'm using different part of my chicken. If you want to just use just chicken thighs, you can. It's really up to you. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest before we put them in on that rack. All right, guys, excuse the side of my microwave here, but I want you guys to see all the details of that air fryer. So now I grab my olive oil cooking spray. I'm going to spray the top of my chicken generously. And I was only able to fit 7 pieces on here, so I have to work in batches. Generously spray your chicken. And now we can open this up and place the chicken right in here. Again, I'm going to give myself a little space, just like that, and go ahead and turn this on. And temperature, I am going to cook at 350. People say that's a standard Haitian temp when using an oven for some reason, but I am going to set the timer to 30 minutes. But after 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and flip them and spray the other side with the cooking spray. Okay, so now we can go ahead and push start, and our chicken should be ready. All right, my chicken is finally done. This is what they look like. You guys can see I like mine nice and brown. If you want less color to yours, of course, cook yours for a little less time. I did end up cooking mine for about 35 minutes in total time. I know I told you guys 30 minutes, and I made some waffles because I'm about to have me some chicken and waffles. So if you guys want the waffle recipe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I know to give you guys that recipe. And the rest of my chicken are right over here. This is what she's looking like. It is nice and crispy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. And I'm going to bite into it. It's still nice and juicy. Those flavors are crazy. Oh my goodness. KFC ain't got nothing on us, y'all. This is good. I definitely would give this air fryer a big thumbs up because it did its thing. And I think I accidentally pushed that fan button when I told you guys to push the start. It's the on button that will start the air fryer. But overall, I'd say this is a good air fryer, and overall my chicken recipe is definitely delicious. So make sure you try this recipe out, guys. And this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. That way you guys can encourage me to make you many more videos, okay? Stay safe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you purchased this. Let me know if you use it, what you think. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. As I mentioned before, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. Stay tuned for some pictures at the end. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.